Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the one and the only Mimi. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I go from this straight type of deep body wave to a straight type of hairstyle. So what you'll need is your flat iron, of course. You're gonna need a rat tooth comb. Don't mind mine looking dirty AF. And then I'm using a serum just to act like a heat protectant and like a smoother. You can use any type of serum that you want, but I'm just going to be using the one by Tresemme that I always use. And also you're going to need some hair clips if you don't want all the hair to be in your face and stuff like that. I just like to use hair clips because it helps me section off stuff. And I forgot to say, if you're new here, make sure you click that red subscribe button. Yes. So here you're going to see me comb out and brush out the hair a little bit. I think that this hair is the deep body wave, and yeah, it was very easy to comb out and brush out and straighten. So yeah, right here I'm just gonna show you. I'm taking a little piece and I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron that joint. Flat iron that joint. Hey, flat iron that joint. Flat iron that joint. Okay. Okay, so don't mind me moving around a lot in this video. I'm just trying to show y'all the hair from different angles and all that crap. So I basically finished most of the back part that I was working on earlier, and I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing up here at the front. So I run the comb, not the comb, bitch. I run the flat iron around on the hair like a couple times at the root, just because I do that normally with my natural hair. So yeah, and I'm trying to get this hair as straight as possible. Y'all know curly hair don't be trying to get real straight like that, but I'm gonna hook y'all up. Also, I'm using the chase method. That also helps with getting your hair straight. I use that method on my natural hair as well, so just use that method. So here's the hair. Like half of it is pretty much straightened. It's not bone straight, but it's straight enough. I'm going to teach y'all how to get it a little bit more straighter than what it's given right now. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all that half of the head is pretty much done. Don't mind the room, you know, we's doing what we's doing, okay? Okay, so remember how I told y'all I'm going to teach y'all how to get it a little bit straighter than what it is given. So what you want to do is like do a little blowout on the hair. I blow dry my hair, you know, my natural hair, but I just like the effects that it gives. So like do a little blowout and your hair will get a little bit more straighter than what it is just off of a flat iron. And if your hair is thin, then you don't have to do this, but this hair was thick, so I had to get it how I live it. So yeah, this is like the final results. I did a side part, and I don't think I will have any trouble with getting this hair to revert back because girl, it was trying it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Mwah.